Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Razorpay in a US-facing mobile app workflow, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To activate Razorpay in a US-facing mobile app workflow, start by creating a Razorpay account. Visit the Razorpay website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, such as your email address and password. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once your account is created, log in to your Razorpay dashboard. Navigate to the Settings tab located in the left sidebar. Under General Settings, find the API Keys section. Generate your API key by clicking on the Generate Key button. Make sure to keep your API key and secret secure, as these will be used for integration. Next, head to your mobile apps project directory. Open the file where you want to integrate Razorpay. Add the Razorpay SDK by including the appropriate dependency in your build file. For Android, add the Maven repository section in your build.gradle file. For iOS, use CocoaPods to include the Razorpay SDK in your project. Once the SDK is added, initialize Razorpay in your app's main activity or view controller. Use your API key to set up the Razorpay instance. Create a function to handle payments by specifying various parameters like amount and currency. Implement a callback to handle success and failure of the payment. Ensure to test the payment flow using Razorpay's test mode. Create a test order to verify that everything is functioning as expected. Once testing is complete, switch to live mode by updating your API key in the settings. Deploy your app to the App Store, making sure to follow all compliance regulations. Monitor transactions through your Razorpay dashboard to ensure smooth operations. Congratulations, your Razorpay integration is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.